Hello everyone, myself Swapnil Pawar from Jail Polytechnic Narepurne from TYC Civil Engineering branch. Subject name Solid Waste Management. My topic name is Design Small Composting Plant for Residential Apartment. Group member Shantanu Bumkar, Rohit Kadam, Ajit Korde, Niranjan Bokre, Swapnil Pawar. This project guided by Professor Mahesh Khade. Introduction. The organic content of municipal solid waste tends to decompose, leading to various smell and outdoors problems. It also leads to pollution the environment. They ensure a safe disposal of MSW. It is desirable to reduce its pollution potential and several processing methods are proposed for this purpose. Composting process is a quite commonly used and result in production of a stable product. Compost which depending upon its quality can be used as a low grade manure and soil conditioner. The process result conversion of natural resources and is an important processing method, especially in agricultural and horticultural areas. How to make a small composting plant? 1. Buy a container. Purchase a large plastic or ceramic container. You can find one at a gardening store or a departmental store. Poke holes in the lid and base of a plastic box to create ventilation and allow water to drain. Place a tray beneath the container to catch the drainage. You can keep to compost pile inside or outside of your apartment. 2. The should be in a cool spot that get plenty of sunlight. Second, pile to component. Before you can toss scrap food in, start by cutting strips of paper and soaking them in water. Use half of the strip to coat the bottom of the bin. Pour soil over the paper and drop in worms. The container size should be relative to how many worms you can put inside. The bin needs to be 1 square foot for every pounds of worms. Third, toss in scraps. Now that you have a pile of paper, soil and worms, you can start throwing in your scraps. Compost pile can be contain fruits, vegetable products, peels, egg shells, paper, tea and tea bags, coffee and filters and leaves. Do not add plastic, animals waste, citrus, meats, beans or dairy. Each time you add scraps to your compost pile, cover it with a soak paper strips. 4. Repeat. You can keep piling scraps and paper in your compost bin. You may consider having 2 bins in your small apartment, alternating between the two. This gives the worms time to work through the food scraps and will give you more room to next time you use that bin. Once your bin is full and the contents have decomposed, you can use the soil for gardening. If you don't garden, consider giving a bag of the soil to someone who does. The composting processes. During composting, microorganisms from the soil eat the organic waste of the break it down into the simplest part. The produce a fiber rich carbon containing humus which organic nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. The microorganisms break the material down through aerobic respiration and require oxygen that they get from the air you introduce when you turn the material in the compost bin. The microorganisms also require water to live and multiply through the respiration process. The microorganisms give off carbon dioxide at heat. Temperature within compost piles can be rise as high as 100 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 to 66 Celsius. If the compost pile or bin is actively managed by turning and watering it regularly, the process of decomposting into the finished compost can be happen in a little as 2 to 3 weeks. The compost condition must be balanced for efficient decomposition. There must be first plenty of air. Mixture should be turned daily or every other day. Adequate water. Mixture should be moist but not soaking wet. Proper mix of carbon to nitrogen. Ratio should be about 30 as to 1. For small particle size, big pieces should be broken up as smaller particles break down more rapidly. 5. Adequate amount of soil should be provided in organisms for the process. Benefits of composting: enriches soil, helping retains moisture and suppress plant digests and pits, reduces the needs for chemical fertilizers, encourages the production of beneficial bacteria and fungi that break down organic matter to create humus, a rich nutrient fixed materials, reduces methane emission from landfills and lowers your carbon footprint. Thank you.